Cheers. These slots, right? This is kind of... What'd you do? You messed it up. What kind of Corona is that?
It's a foamy one.
Oh, what? Dude, you're really good with the throat. That's not good. Stress fractures everywhere, and that's just entirely chipped. All things considered, this splitter has held up pretty well over the past 3 years, hitting everything on the road, hitting every driveway imaginable. But I think it's time for a replacement. So today we've actually got Battle Arrow's carbon replacement splitter with custom diffuser cutouts just for me. The normal carbon splitter replacement has this area filled in, but I'm running tunnels on my car, so I wanted this cut out. So this is actually interesting because this is the same durable base wood material as my current splitter that's held up so well. It just has a carbon layer epoxied on top of the splitter. So you get this really premium carbon look, but you get the same durability as the birch wood splitter. So we're gonna be putting this on the car, and it should look so good with the carbon lip and the carbon canards. Cheers. So the old splitter is out. I need to transfer all this hardware, especially these cool tunnels, onto the new carbon splitter. Can't wait, because if you look at the splitter, it's been through it. It did a great job of protecting the front end of my car though. Okay, scratch that. The old diffusers are so worn and damaged that I didn't want to use them. You guys can see they've also been through the ringer. So we've got replacement diffusers, and they'll go into these slots right here to sit flush like a glove. That's gonna be so sick. And check out this side. The new diffuser goes on, and that looks so good. Now again, these diffusers and the splitter cutouts is only like for special orders. The standard carbon overlays or the standard carbon splitters, they do not come with this cutout because there is a lot of modification needed in order to fit this onto the Supra. But check that out, it looks so sick. This is a proper splitter. We have everything on the new splitter right now. It's upside down so you guys can see the carbon, this top part, the new end plate. We have the beautiful flush mounted diffusers, and I put aluminum tape there just to smooth everything out. Same with this side, you can see the diffuser flush with the splitter, and we got the new end plate. So we're gonna be putting the stickers on, putting it back on the car, and we'll be done. How did you fit this under here? I almost forgot what everything looked like when it was all new. Check it out. It looks so good. You can see how clean that carbon looks, especially with the carbon lip and the canards. But it made the whole front end look refreshed and brand new again. Because that old splitter was so beat up with all those stress fractures, it did not look good. So good. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. Let me know what you guys think about the new carbon chassis mount splitter setup. If you guys are interested in picking up a setup for yourself, I'll have a link down below. Oh, yo, sick!
This is good, man. That's you?
Yeah, we did it right here. Kai, what's up, dude? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is Kai.
Yes,
you just finished the car?
Yeah, it took like 2 years.
2 years? Hey,
Since it got hit.
oh shit.
Yeah. So this is our Magic,
Uh-huh.
and the side skirts, rear bumper, and then the wing is AV flood.
Oh, damn!
I
I
tried to
haven't
match this.
Yeah.
With, like the lines.
No, I see.
Yeah.
Dude, I haven't heard those names in so
Dude,
long.
it's so old.
Yeah.
It's so old.
But it works with the car.
Yeah. It's like my whole thing. Even the car before, I don't know if you've seen it, was like silver. I still kind of built it like Midnight Club. Need for
Yo,
Speed. Oh yeah, rotary
That's
exhaust.
sick. That's so good.
Yeah, that's like the gem.
Wait, how did you even get that shape of
We
a
actually-
muffler?
So Racing Beat makes those.
Oh, okay.
It's like the Mazda Farai. It's like the old concept, like race.
Yeah,
car
yeah, I've
they
seen that
made
one.
back
Yeah,
then.
yeah.
Yeah, so they make it.
Uh-huh.
It's just hard to weld it to the original pipe. So you have to like pretty much just like, either jerry rig it or
yeah.
you know,
Actually,
figure it
I
out.
love that so much.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's supposed to be actually up a little more. That's my trunk. So I actually had to cut it to my
Notch it?
trunk.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so the number one question, is it still a rotary?
Yes.
Oh,
it is.
sick.
We built once. Lucky 7. Shout out
okay.
Lucky 7.
Oh, yeah,
Chris,
yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
Chris. Yes.
That's so cool.
Yep. But I love rotaries. I don't think I'll ever take it out.
Yeah,
Stay rotary.
it's like, it's the whole point of the car.
You know what I'm saying? It's the last one.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the last one.
Yeah.
So I mean, you can't go wrong with, you know,
All right, so,
FD.
hey, was this, EOT?
Eod?
Is this EOT's car?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's a similar kit. Maybe that's why I'm getting confused. Because he was selling
I
it,
don't even know
I
what
think.
kit it is.
Oh.
That's crazy.
But yeah, I like how they're parked side by side.
Yeah. He pulled up. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta love the rotaries, man. Shout them out.
Seeing a period correct car like this is like rare nowadays.
Shirt.
Oh yeah, that is a cool shirt. These are the cars. You guys can actually come to Battle Royale and like rent these carts and run like a session. They're so cool. As you guys can see, still have the front brakes, the hydro. Oh, that one's neochrome. Sick. That's so cool. And you guys can tell, like, it's interesting. They're running rain tires in the rear and slicks in the front. And then if you look at the track, it's kind of oiled like a bowling alley. So it helps you maintain that drift. It's really, really cool. You can actually drift these on the street too without any of the oil, but you just have to be going a lot faster. And there's just not enough room in this warehouse to pick up that much speed. I'm trying to teach Steven how to drift right now. Throttle. Counter steer. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Go. Hey, you got it. That's it. These are really intuitive once you understand what the throttle and the steering do. Hey, you got the drift though. You see what I mean, right? When you counter steer, it brings the front away and you can pivot with the throttle.
Yeah.
That's what we meant by pivoting with the throttle. So what do you think?
It helped a lot. Helped out a lot. That shit was crazy.
So fun. This is possibly one of the coolest places in SoCal. Okay, everyone congratulate Steven on 100K subscribers.
Thank you.
But he has this crazy Widebody 8.6, so he's gonna take us through it.
Okay, where do we start? Well, obviously I have a Artisan Spirits wide body kit.
Okay, that's what it was. I forgot.
Artisan Spirits.
I like how it's like cut super deep here.
We got Arc Performance hood,
Oh, nice.
Alpha X headlights and taillights. Obviously you got underglow. 37.
Dude, you're so basic.
I know.
I have T37s.
APG brakes.
Oh yeah, from Alvin.
Yep. We got the JQ Works steering hub. Oh, you should check this shit out. Did you not see it?
What happened?
You'll see it in your video.
Wait, what happened?
You'll see it.
I missed it.
It's just like all the lighting.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I know that from last time. Okay. I thought something was happening with the steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the logo's sick. Yeah. Oh, it makes it look like an Audi.
Supercharger.
Oh, so it's not slow anymore.
No. Got the
Right.
supercharger.
Need a light on that. Wait, which one is this?
Harp.
Oh, Harp. And this one's carb legal, right?
Carb legal.
That's the best part.
300 horsepower on pump gas.
That's pretty crazy. Wait, are you gonna go E?
Yeah, probably in the future.
Yeah.
I have to
Dang.
upgrade other stuff though.
So what's the next goal? You hit 100K, now what?
Dude, a million.
Million, yeah.
Nah, I don't know.
No, a million. Million's a good goal.
Yeah.
Yes, pause a taste tea. If you know, you know.
I'm never too good for tasting, man.
Got the watermelon because it's in season. Hey, what's up guys? If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about the new carbon splitter. I think it looks great. It matches all the other carbon bits, you know, on the front bumper. Also, if you guys are interested in any Supra parts or where to pick up that splitter, I'll have a link down below. Just keep in mind it won't have the tunnel cutouts because that's just like a custom thing I did for my car. Funny enough, I actually just got done editing this vlog that you guys are watching. I'm actually flying out to Japan in a couple hours and I have not packed yet, so I really need to get this uploaded and start packing. I'm really excited for this trip because every time I go to Japan I meet 1 or 2 new car friends, and you know, the last couple trips it's been hard to see the car culture because I'm just not, you know, I'm not Japanese. But this time I'm hoping I can see a little bit more of the Japanese car culture and film it for you guys. So stay tuned for those vlogs. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!